What's happening? This your man, Chris Watts with Now Never Motivational Moment, man. It's Monday. We ready to hit it and get it. Y'all already know off top we give God all the glory, the honor, and the praise, man. You know I got to recognize my beautiful queen, Alicia Watts, and my three beautiful girls, Antoinette, and Elise, and Alexia. Let's get to the video. Pay attention because I got something I want to share with you guys. I believe it's going to impact a lot of you guys. I want to re-illustrate the illustration that many of you have probably already heard. I want to talk about value today. I want to talk about value. Here, as you seen at the beginning of the video, I have a $100 bill. The first person to comment on this video gonna get this $100 bill. I'm just playing now. But here we go, a $100 bill. If I ask anyone who wants it, everybody would raise their hands, correct? If I did this, balled it up, spit on it, and I said, who want this $100 bill? Everybody still raise their hand. They gonna probably wipe their spit off, but they gonna take this $100 bill. You know what I mean? Now, what if I got out my truck? What if I got out my truck and I threw the $100 bill on the ground and I stuffed a mud hole in this thing? You hear that? Stuffed the mud hole in it, and I presented it to everybody before all of you, and I said, who still want this $100 bill even though spit, I done balled on it, got dirt on it, and I done got my shoe print stumped on it? Everybody would still want this $100 bill. Why? Because it still has value. You can still take that $100 bill to the grocery store and buy some food for your kids. You can take that $100 bill to the mall and buy a fresh pair of sneakers. You know what I mean? Get a new shirt, whatever the case. It still has value. The point I'm making is some of you are just like that $100 bill. You have been thrown out. You have been balled up. People done gave up on you. People done stepped over you. But at the end of the day, God still sees that you have value. God still says you are useful for his kingdom. He still say that you are worthy. You have to understand, to that young lady, you are beautiful and you are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are a queen. To the young man out there hustling and grinding, there is greatness on the inside of you, king. Never let nobody put a price tag on how much you're worth, because God has already deemed you priceless. I am helping somebody right now. Too many of you are living your life on the clearance rack. Get your life off that clearance rack. Quit living life at a discounted rate. You deserve so much more and you are worthy of it, man. Look, let me tell you how much value God has for you, how God sees in you. God says you were created in his image. That means you look like God. You don't have to worry about impressing people. You have been made to express God. A lot of people are living a Photoshop life. You know what Photoshop is? The editing program where you can edit your pictures so they can look pleasing to others. Yeah. Some of you are living a Photoshop life. I talked about that before. You don't got to do that. God says you have value. You are in his image. Another thing that God says why you have value, you have been made in his likeness. You have been made to act like God. Look, man, look, I'm not trying to hurt nobody. But look, especially my people, quit posting all these videos of y'all fighting and all this foolishness that be going on. Look, God has made us kings and queens. He has made everybody kings and queens. So let's act like it, man. You have to understand how you view yourself, how you see yourself. Look, how you see yourself in life will determine how you seek yourself in life. I'm going to say it again. How you see yourself in life will determine how you seek yourself in life. Meaning that how you view yourself, your perspective about who you are will determine the life that you can live. You can only live out what you only believe. You cannot live what you don't believe. Look, man. Let me get up out this thing. I want to encourage you that you have value, and it's time to go higher in what God has called us to be, and time to live out that value that he has put on the inside of us. All right. So let's get to it, man. This your man, Chris Watts. I hope you was impacted by this Now Never Motivational Moment. You know what we say. God is everything. Dream big, work hard, and live easy. Peace.